Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to clear your Windows 11 update cache on your PC. Okay, so for this guys, I am going to show you two methods. One method is automatic and one method is manual. Okay, so first we will try automatic method. So press Windows key button and here you need to search disk cleanup tool and open it. Okay, like this. Select your drive where your Windows OS was installed and then click on OK, and it will take some time to open disk cleanup. From here you need to search, click on cleanup system files, and here guys you need to search Windows update and select that box. So in my case the option is not showing in my screen, so if the option is showing on your PC, just select Windows update cleanup and then click on OK and close this. So this is the automatic method. So the manual method is this guys. Now you can try the next method. Press Windows key button and then here you need to search services and open it. And in this services menu guys, you need to find out Windows update. Right click on Windows update and then click on stop. So I have already stopped it, and then close your services menu and then you need to hold Windows key button and then press R from your keyboard, and here you need to search this file path C // windows / software distribution / download. Same as it is, you need to type and then click on OK. Now you need to select this all file from the download folder like this and right click on it and simply delete this all folder. It means it will delete your Windows update cache. Okay, so this is the manual method to clean up. So one more thing you need to do, you need to empty your recycle bin. Okay, so just right click on your recycle bin icon like this. Here you can get the option empty recycle bin, and then afterwards you need to start your Windows update services. Open services menu and then simply search Windows update, right click on it and then simply start it. Okay, after doing this guys, it will clear your Windows update cache. So this is the easy and simple method to do this. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.